Greek. Ikhona into yenzekileyo. So nami ke ngisenzile isiGreek. Ngoba sibheke esixekweni. Igama kaZakeyi ithetha ukuthi ngesiGreek so ongcwele. But at this moment in time, Khamete, we meet Zacchaeus, bekuthi ungcwele kodwa ngoku ungcolile. Anobendizana. Igama lakho bekuthiwe unguzoleka. Kwathi igama lakho unguthembekile. Kwathi igama lakho unguphumeza. But today igama lakho unguphara. And then Christ comes and meets Zacchaeus in the midst of this trouble. Christ calls Zacchaeus, what is Zacchaeus? The song was alone left away. Akatasaki mzalwam, lobumntana akho angena ngo-12 endle gatase. Besithi nguphara. Kodwa wena uke wathi mbongo chawe sekuyingqondo. Umsebenzi kaKristu loyo. To restore the broken, to call the rejected, uphakamisa abaphansi. Beshele lonke esixekweni ihamele nothing else. Okwesibili soso nokugqibela. Ithi le ndawo wakhwela emthini. And when the Bible uses umthi, you need to be focused and umesos. Amen. Ingxaki iqale kathini. Kwakukunthi. Bethuna ukuze sisuke kuthiko kwakukunthi. Wasiqhawula umthoqala sakude kuthiko. And now look, uses that about is symbolism. And Luke says to us, between the text, kwakukunthi lo Zacchaeus wawusebenzisa. Tabasibheka sokweni soso, besobaxelela ingwenya soso. Wathi ukuze basindiswe. Yena wenza kesilele. Wawuthwala umthi. Wawuthwala umthi wehlazo. Kodwa ngivakala yonke lonto. Kwaphuma izinto ezifana nani. The use of the tree was symbolizing umsebenzi womthi wasagologotha. Wathi ukuze bonke wasakubafela. And there was no salvation without the tree. Thixo makasibuke abazalwane. As we go out of it in the day, remind your brother, remind your former guilder, that there is someone owathwala umthi wehlazo ukuze nanami nawe sibe namagama amasha. Inkosi uthi kokolo vice akasibuka sigcine Khamete ngokunangona phakathi. Amen.